said, kept saying he was coming over. Well, I can't make it today. And the funny, our neighbor was looking for a computer, and he looked at it.
We sold it to him across the street.
That's
he gave 60 bottles for it. Yeah.
So you have difficulty selling on OfferUp too?
Oh yeah, yeah. Well, I've got a.
Well, people say they're coming, and then they don't. At least call you and say something came up. Lie if you have to. You know, say that something came up.
Go to the. Where you at? You parked in the driveway?
No, I parked on the street.
Oh, go on. I wanted to show you something right
Oh, you got something? Okay.
No, it's an old car.
Oh, okay.
I'll meet you out there.
All right.
If we do ever come across, I thought there was a booklet in there with it. He'll look in the garage, and if he finds it, maybe we can mail it to you or something.
I'll come over again. But if you find the cord too, then let me know. But unless I figure it out.
Yeah.
All right, great. Thanks. I'll go out this way. Okay, I'm coming out this way.
We're in old cars and trucks.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, I build trucks and I build cars.
Oh.
And we just bought this.
Yeah.
62 Plymouth.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh yeah.
1962.
Yep, 62.
Did you buy it like this or did you restore it?
No, it bought it just like this.
It runs and everything?
Oh yeah.
Oh wow, that's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that car.
I know, and everybody wants it.
Oh, you're selling it?
No. No, that's why I'm saying all these cars here I built, you know, there's all kinds of cars in here.
Oh, okay.
That I built before.
Yeah.
And like I said, see Car Crazy?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we used to go to the car shows all the time, and every time we went to a car show, they said that here comes under construction.
Oh, okay.
And this year, they're going to have car shows again starting in November, and I'm going to drive this over there to the car show this one time, and they'll say, who in the hell is this? It's all original. It's got the push button transmission.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the only thing it doesn't work is the radio.
Hey Chuck.
Hey, how you doing?
So thanks a lot for selling me this photo scanner.
I appreciate that. Thank you for coming all the way from Palace Station.
Palace Station.
Yeah, you know Palace Station. I play cards over there.
Oh, you do?
Oh yeah, God, I've hit so many hot balls. You know what I mean? You know, jackpots and stuff. Oh yeah. And now I'm starting to play it Boulder.
Okay. Boulder. Yeah, I'll get all my photos scanned. How many pressure washing jobs are you gonna do?
I got 452.
Wow, that's a lot.
That's all over.
Yeah.
Vegas.
And you'll start what, next month?
I'm supposed to start Thursday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's got some in Henderson. What he does, he goes and buys them.
Oh.
And then he calls me up and says, hey, I'm ready. Come over. Like he have maybe 8 mobile homes that he's already sold. He sells them. Okay. You know. When I first moved to town, we used to do all the mafia people.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. Oh, God. When we first moved in town, we done, I know you know him. I can't think of his name. He's, well, anyway, he's real, if you go over.
Bugsy?
Yeah. Buzzy. We got to do Buzzy's house. And he told me to come over. And he said, I need my house painted. And all my driveways, inside and out. Okay. And I don't want to tell you, is that going to be on TV or anything? I don't want to say. We said, all right, we put a bid in for $78,000.
Oh, okay.
And he said, you got it. Go ahead. Start it. Whenever you're done, they come out with boxes of money.
Oh, really?
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, yeah. And it was some good old days. Because, see, we've been in town 47 years.
Oh, wow, you're an old-timer.
Oh, old-timer ain't the word for it. That's why I was saying that next year being me and my wife's 50th anniversary.
Oh, yeah. Well, so you actually met Bugsy.
Yeah, I got to meet Bugsy. You know the guy that's the lawyer for Bugsy, I got to meet him.
Oh, okay.
I done his house.
Wow.
And then I don't think you wouldn't know. See, these are all old guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about Siegfried and Roy?
Oh, got to do his house too with the taggers and everything. Yeah, at the first time.
Oh, okay.
The first time, and then he lived right there off of I forgot. It's been so damn long.
Yeah.
You know.
But he lives out of town now.
Yeah, I know.
Near Boulder.
I know since the other one died.
Since the other one died.
Yeah. So,
All right, great. Well, that's good stories.
All right. All
All right,
right.
take care.
Just go put that on TV. I'll be in jail. I'll hear Jason just put this on the channel 14 or whatever, channel 6 or 8, and we got to go meet this guy Chuck. But they all know that.
They all know you.
Yeah, everybody knows me. That's the problem.